Hmm. Another day of technical difficulties. My audio didn't set up automatically when the computer booted. And then fumbling with the camera to make it work. Check this out. So in my intro scene, hold on. What's with the lag? Oh, it was compiling shaders, I guess. So, okay, so intro screen, right? Look at this. If I hide the text, there's a small square right here. And that is me. Hi. It's a small square because if I hide the camera, it breaks. So I need to have this tiny camera under the text so that it doesn't break. But it worked. So, okay. Sure. Just gotta manually set up my audio every day because it eviscerates random audio devices. Oh man. Like I feel like I need to go make a bug report. Alright. Hmm. Okay, let's close everything else. Oh. Yeah, I'm doing this. Alright, let's see the refactor. Oh, indeed. App create app. Device queue. Uh-huh. Let's stuff these into the window context. Us. And see how that goes. Physics thread send is like very not really how it works, but whatever. I'll just plumb this up and see. Actually, why don't I make a little helper method? Because like this is common. Um, whatever. Can I go like this? INS. Oh. Is that real? Okay. Like that. Okay. So now we do self fizz. And then we don't need this. Time true. Muttable. Okay, yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah. There we go. Nice-ish. Okay. DQ. Device. Q. Okay, there's window. Okay, so frame. Who has, okay, you have the surface here. So you should also have the surface config. Player worker. I think that's not it. So isn't that, yeah, this is a native player. Yeah. Graphics. Who knows? What's this? 4 arguments. Pause angles. I'm not very full of energy today. I kind of get drained when stuff doesn't work just instantly when I turn on my computer. RR. So does this move up? Well, no. Config is here. Okay, so we have surface and config here, but then it's also, oh, indeed. Oh, config, okay. Graphics, surface, playback, surface config. Okay. And then, oh, that likes it now. Okay. Argument number 3 is missing. It's not. Oh, okay. Okay. So who is calling this function? Right here. So no. Dot render dender. Pause angles. Ow. Okay. Okay. Surely. God, I'm so freaking drained. We good? No, we're not. Okay. Next. Graphics new. Okay, so graphics has to hold the surface and the surface config. The config doesn't go in here. Gabagoo. Config. So, and then, yeah, man, we go size right here, and then we go config dot view format 0, which is like hard coded everywhere, but it's oh well. You good? No. Consider borrowing. Oh, right here I see. So size. You good? UVec2. Do we have a little glammy guy? Yes, we do. Glam UVec2. We go, and then configure surface size. Okay. Tuple. Okay. Okay, there we go. So problem here. I'm not keeping the DQ. I need to keep the DQ. So let's just do that. Yoink. Sploink. And we don't need references, or we don't want references. We grab these variable names. Yay. And that's what's good. No method render. Command. Oh, bubba. Schmubby bubby. Surface. How do you resize? Device size. Width, height. Do we care about this? Like, at all? Self.device. Q. Self.device. Huh. Alright, who else has encode commandas? Oh, you. What's up? Encoder, Q submit, and then frame present. 4 argumentatives. Sir. Yes, sir. Aww. Command encoder. So true. view is texture view. I forgot. Does it look like this? I think it looks like this. Frame, surface, device. Ooh, okay. And then view, and then frame dot present. Okay, so I have done the refactor. All the surface specific code is moved out of the lib, so we shouldn't see anything that says surface in here. Yeah, and so it's all in the native player and the other things, the WASM module, because those specifically render to a surface. Let's see if everything works. Schreifschnet, Roblox bot player. Let's just build everything. WASM module, pack build, native player, no. Validation error. Attachments have differing sizes. Okay, so texture view. Okay, so I don't think I reconfigure. Yeah, okay, I see. The surface configuration. So I need to call configure in resize if I am not mistaken. Yeah, so resize here used to say configure the surface, but now it don't do that. So I gotta do it manually. Size. Is this just Agrame straight up? No, this is the song. Hello. Well, there you go. So that is the WASM enjoyer. I do believe we have to do it here as well. Okay, try that one again. So it's kind of bad because like you have to just remember to do everything correctly. All right, it works. So let's try the web demo. And it shows up on my other monitor, but it works. Okay. Hey. Okay, so my stuff is working. Um, but I might want to clean this up a bit. Like, I did successfully take Surface out of this, but there's this common code here. Indeed. Wait a second. Whoa. Hey. Did I ever configure the surface? Hold up. Wait a minute. Not a singular time. Okay. I think that might be a bug. Okay. So we have to do this. Oh. This doesn't do anything, right? Yeah, it just does the ding dong. Lib? Where is this? Native video encoder. Okay. Should I? Okay, this says size. Create texture. I mean, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Graphics. I don't know. I think it does need resize. Let's see. Graphics. What if I just resize it right here and do like my graphics? Graphics dot resize. FOV just one. Lol. For now. Maybe that fixes this. Let's try it. Video encoder. Cargo run. Release. This should produce a video file. Okay. So there's now this video file. No. Unlucky. Just to confirm, this is also blank in MPV. Yeah. No. So, something that just happened there that excited me. 10, 11, 12. Oh, right. 25 FPS. It thinks it's 25 FPS, but it's actually 60 FPS, so it's way longer. It's supposed to be a 12-second clip. I was able to run strafe. Something without OBS dying. What? It was the NVIDIA driver all along? the stream is just not having issues. I can actually use my computer. Wow, okay. Well, I guess switching to the beta version of the Encoder driver was a good idea. Cool. Well, my computer works like it's supposed to in that sense. I still have other bugs. Oh my god, this is nice to be able to play the game. What about full screen? Can I full screen it? And it's like, okay. No. Not quite. Stream still destroys. Getting AMD next time. I probably would have gotten AMD if they had a powerful GPU, but they just don't have one. Like, my monitor is this ridiculous 4K 240 hertz monitor. So I need muscle, you know? Okay, so that didn't fix it. Unlucky. Okay, so close. It's kind of eh. Like, why would it? Okay, new size, camera bind group, depth. Where's the depth texture? Like, it's already made at the right size. I think I actually don't need this. The resize is when the size changes, but if the size is the right size to begin with, then not a problem. Okay, so look at this. So this is the lib. And so the goal of this little refactor here was to remove all references to surface from the API boundary, because surfaces are for drawing in a window or drawing in the web browser, something that is like displayed. But the rendering actually only needs a texture to draw. So I instead of render being like and it does all this stuff, it is just going to encode commands into the command buffer onto a texture view, because then I can use the same library for offline encoding. So like, you draw to a texture and then you encode it into a video file, and there's nothing displaying on the screen. Okay, I'm gonna try to make a little thing in the library. Okay, so I have lib surface. Okay, so surface should contain like this stuff right here. Okay. So yeah, so we have surface and surface configuration. Things. Okay, so surface has a lifetime. Oh, probably it owns it, right? Would that make sense? Question mark? Okay, so then Where's the other guy? Right here. Surface configuration. Yes, sir. Okay, and then we go, hey man, okay, pub struct frame, the what? Okay, so then impl surface, yeah, elated lifetime, we have to go deeper, pub function, frame, ooh, good song. Frame, something like that. We'll see. Frame. Yeah, so frame is frame and view. Surface is self dot surface. Configure not mut. Okay. What? Okay. Device. Okay. I'll say must use, I guess. And then this stuff. Q dot submit. Oh, apparently oh, okay, I see. Um, okay, so texture view. Oh. View. Whee! And that's const. Yeah. And then present self. Nothing. Oops. Oh my god, moved. Oh, interesting. Okay. Shoo. So now this stuff. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Surface configuration. I guess that. Oh, there it is. Okay. Uh, mm, 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 How does this get created? Who did this? Surface configuration. Okay. Setup graphics. Hi, I am graphics. Config. Configure surface. The what? Configure surface creates a surface configuration. Ah. Surface create surface. Configure surface. Get default config. I'm like thinking should the surface code here go in this library or should it go up one level into the graphics library? Probably it should be in the graphics library. Because it's common here as well, right? Configure surface. Window worker. Where's the code that draws the code that does the code? Right. Graphics worker. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so here, see here. It's the same code. Why don't I make it here first, and I'll like cook it up, and then I'll move it up if it works real good. It works real good. So the setup steps are widowy. Only for a window. And like if you're not doing a window, you don't need it. No. Why is this like that? Ha. Okay, use it, use it, use it, use it. Oi. Oh, yeah. So, Wende, new flame. Okay, so the code right here, we want to hide this. Right, self. Who is self? Hi, I'm self. Player worker. We're gonna want this goob right here to have surface. Uh. Uh. Mm. Uh. Mm. Uh. Uh. H. You have GH. Okay. Surface. Surface. And then. No. Oh, look at how nice this is gonna be. Frame equals self dot surface dot new frame device semicolon frame dot view frame dot present. Okay, and then dot config is not real. Okay, I need to dot config here. Yeah. Haha, yes. Indeed, sir. Indeed. Size is equal to size. So now I need a little guy here. Surface. Configure mutt self size glam uvec2 boing boing boing. Size dot xy self dot surface dot configure. We need the device as well. So true. Absolute true. The truth. Nothing but the truth. Configure self dot config. Yar. Okay. Good. Uvec2 found vec2. What the heller? Oh, that's the FOV. I'm dummy. It's this one. That's what happens when you copy paste. Boing boing. FOV. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Config. Aha. So this is helpful as well. So surface is a surface, and we can do like view format, boom, like that. Surface dot view format. Wow, and that'll be like a function in one place instead of scattered about. Function view format self WGPU oi GPU format. I don't know what even is it. Texture format self dot config dot view formats 0. Okay, and that is absolutely not const. 100% not const. Hello. Oh, surface. Indeed. Um, Probably the surface should come out of here. It's a little bit goofy. Surface is the g surface. Surface. No. B b b. Something. Okay. Const. Okay. Not throwing. Okay, so right now I need to like ad hoc build one. To do move to strafesnet graphics. Zabazoo self. Hi a uh uh So the thing about this is that these are not necessarily related when you have this constructor like this. Indeed. So I'm just gonna like say it like this because I'm gonna have to change it later. I don't know how to make it work. Function takes 2 arguments. Yes, sir. Okay. Wait. There it is. Okay, what works? Let's run the WASM module, run the native player. Okay, so this very obviously should move up into graphics. Duh. Let's run the old web demo. Make sure that works. Shift refresh. Okay, we're running. Yeah. Surface API. So that's very good. Oh, did I not use it in all places? Oops. Oops. Haha, lol. So I still have. So this is the native player, but I think I still have it in the Goober player right here. XD. Yeah. Okay. Help. Okay. QRS surface. Surface. Static. Surface. And then it'll be like, oh, you're trolling. Okay. Surface compatible surface. Whatever, man. Oh, step 4, step 5. Okay, surface, and then let surface equals surface, new surface, config, semicolon, backspace, indeed surface dot view format, boom, boom. Let's go. And then not real. Frame, new frame, device, self.device, and then view, not real, and then frame.view, come on bruh, and then frame.present, easy, that's so much easier. And then now self.surface.configure, we can glam this. Size equals to this. Size should be the same. Yay. And then, okay, there we go. Okay, so that's so now the native player and the WASM module are using Surface API, and it all works like super good. So it's time to move it up. So now we do path. Help. Path is. Why don't I like QRS? You are mine. Roblox bot player path lib. So basically I need clones of this, except instead of version we have path, and registry doesn't matter. Path equals Roblox bot project. Oops, Roblox bot file. Is that underscores all the way? Yes, it is. Sniff, just like that. I believe we can do this. Okay, so then Surface probably basically verbatim can move to Mr. Graphics. And I can delete it from here probably. mayhaps. Graphics source graphics setup surface. Baba Booey. And then QRS, huh? And yeah, verbatim. And then setup returns a surface. So create surface from step 5 instead of, so yoink it and then sploink it. Surface. Oh. Trolling? Lifetime. Oh. I see. So that's like that. That should be easy. Easy. Field is private. Very true. So this should not be public. This can be pub create though. Okay. Is this misspelled? Is this a real spelling? Shut up. Targeted with 1 T. Okay. Oi. Okay. Hi, I'm graphics. And then this goes in and surface comes out. No such thing. Worker. Surface. No. Graphics. What? Config. No. We can just go from here. Surface dot size. Surface. View format. And then surface goes into here. SNG surface. Indeed, sir. And then this is not real. Dot configure size. Yeah. So we got this right here. Size. And then this surface dot new frame. Boom. Cinema. Oh. Config. Yeah, config is not real. Mutt. For real. Oh. Indeed. Oh. I see. Crap. Okay, so we want size. like that. Size, graphics resize, R, size. Okay. Indeed, sir. May I take your hat, sir? Okay, and then now, basically, this just makes this like this, and then that's it. Yeah, and then this is not real. And me when it's not real. Surface. 99999. Graphics surface. SNG surface. Same deal. Indeed. So now this is surface. This is like this. One line of code smaller. And everything works. Haha. The most bestest ever. Right, so we're gonna run wasm pack. We're gonna run native in a bit. I can probably. Okay. There it is. Everything is working. T help. Refresh. Okay. Okay, so we're ready. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Graphics, surface, common code, common surface code. Okay, so now there's only one spot that says view format 0 like that. Neat. I actually pulled this together. Let's publish it. Indeed. 006. Where are you at? Oh. 007. Ay. It should be good. I ran everything and it's all very happy. Okay, let's go over to the and yoink, and then 007. Ooh. Oh, no, we're good. All right, so well, I guess this is part of it. Um, whew, okay, so I want to make a little comment here. And then, but without the video encoder. Let's double check what's going on here. Yeah. Indeed. Whoa. Yeah. Uh, update to graphics. That's basically it. Oh, no, that's lock. Okay, so that's minus 81. Not as minus as I was hoping, but this is nice. Very good. Okay. So yeah, it puts it the stuff is lifted out because we might want to add more things to the command buffer. I mean, it's all right. Okay, so something like that. And then this should be the same. And then this is like crazy. I do believe this should work. Let's test it. WASM module, native player. With no changes, very nice. Okay, so there's a native player, and then here's the WASM module refresh. Okay. That's good. I don't believe that actually changes the, oh, it does. Ah, god damn it. View format. So you, wait. Oh, no, this is the internal lib. Okay, so we're good. Let me just look at it. So this is the internal lib. Lib, 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 lib. All of this code is moved up and out. That is how it works. This comment probably should not be there. All right, what about the boundary of the WASM module? So there's no change here. There's no change here. All the function signatures are the same. So no externally visible changes. Let's go. Okay. All right, now it's a little bit confusing. Oh. Okay, now we can go back to working on video here. Yeah. Okay, what? Okay, let's see. If I, instead of doing things, if I just return a color, what happens? Oh, it's F32. All right, we're going to go 0.5. And then this one. Whatever, it doesn't matter. If I just do that, does it make... Huh? Oh. Does it make a video file? Uh-oh. Is it going to fight with OBS? Oh. Vec3. So it's so true. So true. Very, very true. This is going to go to 100%. Huh. Okay. No, it's still a black screen. Yeah, so I need to figure out how to make it not be a black screen. That is the main deal here. Dealio. Huh? Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Remember. Why don't I do WGPU draw to texture to PNG? I want no, other way around. It's probably here. Uh, la 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 la, and then output as an image. Oh. Copy texture to buffer. What the hell is map async? Remember pass. Remember. Remember. Oh, the problem is that like it's all like complicated to download data from the GPU. So I can't just like check it. I have to like spend a day to do it just to see. I don't know. I like. Hmm. Uh, drawer. Plain 0 black. Bleh. What if I just change the clear color? Uh, like that. Just see what happens. Go. It would also be cool to like encode on multiple GPUs. Okay, so it is actually the clear color. That's good. So I have made it different. It's doing something. Okay. So it's clearing and then not doing anything. So I set this up incorrectly somehow. The Mr. Render is not doing the render. Render pass render. Oh. Yeah, okay. Okay, so it's my fault. My fault, big bro. So I observed that when I set a color here, it did nothing. Um eh uh mm WGPU convert RGB to YUV. Wow. So this is the shader, but like how do you do the rest of it? All right, whatever. I'll just go AI. Hi AI. Why my uh encoding step. Do I need like I have no idea. Uh that converts the RGB graphics texture to YUV is not drawing anything. The resulting YUV biffers just appear as the render passes clear color, which is just black. What am I doing wrong? All right, big paste, big paste. Okay, go AI, go AI. I'm gonna put my coffee away. I'll be right back. Go AI. I've got the AI. Okay, what did he say? Your fragment shader is wrong. That's not the problem. Pass real texture coordinates from the vertex shader. And that's is not the problem. Setting the shader to a constant color has no effect. There must be some problem with the way rendering is set up instead. Oof. Clip space coordinates. Clip space coordinates. It wants to argue with me. Uh, so that's probably right. That is, the coordinates are sussy. Why is it 4? -1. Okay, so let's say this is 0. So that's -1. And then it becomes 1 times 4 is 3. 4? So 3. X is 3. So it's at negative weight, -1. Okay, I see. So it has to go 2 and then 2 again. I see it. Okay. So it's absolutely right that the coordinates are like wrong, but there should be a little texture in the middle of the screen if that's the case. Somewhere on the screen, it should show this. Indeed, the coordinates are incorrect, but that is not the problem I am trying to solve right now. So does not change the output, so this fix is not useful at the moment. There is a problem with the way rendering is set up that I am currently trying to solve. I swear to God, if I have to fight the AI again, I'm done. NV12, not a render target format. Literally not true. Let's check the example. Ding dong. Smolder. What's that? Smelter. Oh. Examples. Okay, so this guy is going right into the thing. And I copied it directly from there. Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem. Okay, the AI stopped fighting me, but it doesn't know what's happening. So, I think I've done something. So I pasted it and then I updated it and updated it. Let's see what the diff is up to here. Setup. So this is to like draw graphics onto a graphics texture. Clone. Could that be an issue? I don't think so. Wow, that's very little change for the rest of the code. Hmm. 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 I'm not sure what to do. This the thing that the AI is suggesting doesn't make any sense. It's saying that MV12 doesn't work, but it obviously does work because it's part of the example code. I guess I should try running the example code and see if it works. Okay. Smee. Ooey ooey. Uh. Is this code? So I copied this code. I don't even know if it works. That's annoying. Lol. It's just making stuff up. You're done. Why does it make a black screen? Why, when I return a constant color, does it return no color at all? Why don't I try that again? Just to see. So what did I try? I did white. So that's 1.0. And then I think I did like 0.9. Like that. So we'll watch it use 100% of the encoder. And then it will finish quite quickly. And then we'll play the video. And it is clearly still black, not a different color. So changing the shader. Oh, this is something else. Changing this shader has no effect. So the shader must not be drawing. So it doesn't matter that the texture coordinates are wrong. Or that the texture coordinates. It doesn't matter that the texture coordinates are wrong. The shader is actually just not doing anything. Can you use a clamp samp? Is that a real thing? Texture sampler. WGPU clamp sampler. WGSL actually. I think it's simple. Jeez, man. That sounds made up. So this has the sampler there. Snap. It's cold. I'm gonna put on this sweater. Hiding this wonderful shirt. Oh man. Well, it's really nice that I got that refactor done. But I'm not sure how to make progress on this part. Ooh. um. Uh. Oh, it's AI. Can I block this? Yeah, awesome. Sampler. Single texel from a texture. Damn. Array index. What the hell? Can I see? Jeez. Okay. Unlucky. Okay. I don't know how to do a simple one. Where? I'm just assuming that the no. Okay, I'm assuming that the texture is correctly being drawn to, and that I mean that it's very clear. It's very clear that the fragment shaders are not running. You can't do this, right? Yeah, okay. view, graphics texture bind group, graphics texture view, graphics texture. Oh, jeez. Okay, format. What does none mean? Doesn't say, man. Bruh. It probably fills it in, right? Inner create view. Jeez, it's freaking. Format. Huh? Into. Create view descriptor option descript device create texture view. Is that another? No, we're good. Unwrap or else? Format. Format is good. Resolved format. Resolved format. What's that? Okay, that's way up here. So use the description format or else use the texture format. Okay, that's what I expected. Jeez. Okay. So it just uses whatever's there, which makes sense. I assume that this is drawing to this texture. It doesn't really matter whether it's drawing to the texture or not. It only matters whether the plane renderers are working. Okay, let's make a new empty project. KV. How about VK? Cargo add VK video. Cargo add WGPU. Okay, now we copy paste this example code. Here. And then it doesn't work because reasons, probably this. Okay. Cargo run release. Surely, right? Oh, it's using tracing underscore subscriber. So that'll fail to build. Uh-huh. Include WGSL. Oh. Okay. I marked up my glasses. Oh my god. Okay. Examples. WGSL. Copy. What did I call it? Encode wgpu.wgsl. Boom, boom. Try again. Tracing. No. No. Create device. Vulkan video. What? WGP. Oh, 5 hours ago. Adapter device API. 5 hours ago. Bruh. Okay. Okay. Well, let's look at this version. God. Can we? Okay. I just wanted to see that one file. GitHub sucks. Encode. Copy. And let's paste it over again. Gotta remove the goobers. And then delete this crap. And then hopefully that code is the same. All right, let's see. Width, height, frame count. 1920, 1080, 600 frames. And then MPV. And this works. Which is not a big surprise. I expected it to work. Well, so I didn't have to modify the logic of the code. Why don't I have an IDE? Oh, it's in goober mode. Okay. That's cringe. I want that feature gone. I'm sure you can disable it. Right back. So what's the difference? It's not the bitrate or anything. Because I was able to generate a pink video. I looked at the diff. Why don't I paste it over again? And and we'll see. Oh, hold on. We need to convert it. Whatever. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Roblox bot player video encoder. Okay. Sure. Whatever. I kind of want to like put it up here. So that's. Oh, jeez. Just so that it's obvious that it's everything below. Okay. Paste. So I am gonna lose it. WGPU state. So we need tabs. Okay. So these are all the differences between my stuff and the stuff that works. So this immediate size is used for this that sets this time in the shader. Why don't I just try using their shader and see what happens? I think that's a good idea. Okay, so I guess I can just Control C, Control V. Okay, zoink. All right. No bind groups, haha, and then main setup. Okay, so we need to tell them. Oh, tell them. Bing group. Bing. Where's this thing? Pipeline layout. Okay, so this is a graphics pipeline. Wayment. No, that's fine. Surely. Plain renderer. New. What did he say? Plain view graphics texture bind group. Is it just Pipeline layout. What if the face is backwards? XD. It might be happening. Um, um, I want to try this first. Immediates. I need immediates. Hurl. Okay, I believe that's at the top. Features, bedingus, bedongus. There we go. And then we need to set this. Here, time, F32, render. What are they doing for time? Right. Something else entirely. Okay, time is right here. Okay. Time, F32, time, and then now this up here. Time, we have time. I got time. Yeah, whatever. F32, indeed, sir. So this is actually stupid and should be done like this. Okay, so I don't believe this is going to work. I believe it's going to have a error, a validation error. Has size 4, which exceeds device limit. Indeed. So I need to set that here. Limits. Oh dear. Limits. Sure. We'll just smoke it. Okay, try again. Another validation error, I expect. Oh. Okay, so we'll see if this... I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm guessing that the polygons are backwards or something hilarious like that. Let's see. Do I think this is gonna work? I have no idea. Okay, I'll guess yes, it did work. Okay, so it did work. We don't have a black screen. Okay, so that is code that works. I just replaced the shader completely, and okay, so it is very, very, very minimal. So it is running the shader. Maybe they're backwards. Maybe the polygons are backwards. The polygons, they're backwards. Let's try CW. Encode, encode, encode. Oh, oh. Huh? 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 Go away. Huh? That is an annoying Z editor thing. Okay, so it's running. It could very well just start working. It was just backwards polygons. Oh! There we go. Okay. That was it. The polygons were backwards. Ah, okay. So it is doing something. So now the texture coordinates are wrong. So they're in clip space. Let's see. Abber, abber, rabber, 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 rabber. Rabber, rabber, rabber. Can I, like, I literally just need to run the thing on, like, on every pixel. I don't need any, like, GPU power. I am just doing a color convert. It's probably mega overkill to do all of that. Yeah, I guess, let's see. WGPU area scale filter. Ooh. Point list. Unlucky. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna report this. I'm gonna convert the video and share it because that's fun. uh. Cull back faces, or is it cull only keep front faces? Who knows? Abagabagoo, bug, 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 bug. Um. Um. Indeed, the old texture coordinates. Um. Okay. So now the coordinates are wrong. Oh dear. Um. Uh. So the position needs to be like that. Uh. Well. The default is like, where's my AI? AI. Oh, that's right. I forget how this all works. Let's see. Um, okay, that's how you would do it. Okay, cool. The sky. Location, interpolate flat. Indeed. So this is like, uh, whatever. Okay. Location. Is it? I don't know. Okay. Who knows? Okay. UV. Result.uv equals. Something like this. UV equals vec2. Baba booey. And we go from the 0 to the 1. So it should just be like this. And then ngabagoo, we do like dot UV. Like that. Oh. Actually, this needs to be multiplied by 2 because it goes off screen. All right, let's try it. I believe. MPV. Are we gonna see our first bot? Yeah! Woo! Let's go. Hacker man. So why is the ground looking all like that? Why is it? Duration 11. All right, I'll just do a better one. Okay, so if I flip it like that, it's not gonna work. That should work. Yes. Uh-oh. Uh. What? Yeah. Huh? Um. Yes. Why would that happen? Why? I'm inverting the y coordinate. Why? What? Huh? 2 minus. Oh, 2 minus. Oh, okay. I think it's 1 minus. Yes, because it goes off screen. Okay, I was just dumb. Okay. Yes. Oh. A little bit dumb. Okay, so now it's the right way up. Um, like if we load the native player, all the colors are right. Oh, okay. So it is dark. Okay, so it's just like the colors are just whack, just totally whack. Um, I can actually move the triangle, maybe. It's whatever. It's whatever. Whatever. Okay. Well, we have liftoff. Fix texture coordinates. Okay. So we don't need any of these anymore because it's working. Mouster, don't need that. Uh, let's see. Setup. Yeah, that's dumb. Let's move it to main. What happened? Okay, so we have main. Video encoder. Cool. Why don't I make an MD as well? Really, Mimi. Um, uh, so I'm just gonna explain how it works. Render to texture, convert to YOV, RGB to YOV. Render RGB to graphics texture. On video texture. Video. Forced to give you a ticket. You can't park here. Okay. And it still works. Fuck. Oh, and I just need to fix the stupid color space. Okay, can I say things? Ugh. Uh, uh, mm, mm. Where's my IDE? Where did my IDE go? Help. Just, huh? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Please IDE. I like IDE. Well, okay, so I have an IDE. Video parameters. High quality. Low latency. The hoodie hood, it feels good on my neck. My neck feels cold if I don't have the hood up. Check it out. I made a video. It is a video. And I made the video. I don't know why it looks like this. But yeah, we got like offline rendering going on here. The color is out of whack. Wait, what if I set the color space in FFmpeg? I forgot. How do I do that? Let's see. Color. I don't know. Color something. Mm-hmm. Color space. Why did it link me there? Color space. Can I say color space BT709? Color space BT709. No, it doesn't help. Format did you export to? Raw H.264. There is no container format. I'm using FFmpeg to convert the raw video bitstream into a playable container format. Yeah. MP4 is good. Video parameters. Duh. Yeah, okay, so my little YUV converter is just terrible. Simply bad. Do conversion bias. Oh, the code is up, by the way. On the gets a name. Roblox bot player, I push it up. Add video encoder. Okay, well, I mean, these numbers are like bad. I'm pretty sure there's a way to make an RGB video, but I guess I don't know if you can do it with Vulkan video. Vulkan video RGB. That's not gonna help. Oh. Oh. Oh, kill him. Sampler. Whoa. Create sampler. I probably want this. Do they just have the color spaces? Callbacks. The what? Create info. Help. Create info. Model range components mapping. Okay. This is so verbose, over engineered, but makes sense. Oh, I made the thing though. Let's see. I'm like kind of more interested in like using multiple GPUs to encode the video. I think that's interesting and fun. Create device. I don't know if it's zero copy. It should be, right? I guess not. It says this is like copy here. Oh. Texture state. Boom, boom. It has to become, oh, I'm copying it? How does this work in code? The fact that it worked is pretty neat. Unsafe function encode texture. Copy WGPU texture to image. Cringe. That ain't zero copy. Well, it's not that big a deal. R. Oh. Yeah. Okay. So it'd be tough to use multi GPU encoding because of keyframes. You don't really know where to put them. I guess it actually doesn't matter because it's a continuous video. It's not like it's a movie where there's like scene changes. So the keyframes actually don't really matter. I'm curious what kind of stuff it made. Let's see. Let's run it in AVIDMax. Hello, AVIDMax. No. Output. MP4. Uh-huh. Help. Oh. Okay. Okay. Well, that's not helpful. Oh, well, we can see the iframes here. Because it's just inserting an iframe every half a second. Just outright. That's cool. That's cool. God, I can't believe I'm running into freaking color space conversion issues. YUV. No. RGB to YUV. Frick. Oh my god. No way. Calculator. pal. Yick. What the heller? This is PAL. We don't want PAL. HD TV. So, I don't... Okay. Oh, let's see. MPV, play, and then stop, and then show me everything about it. What do you assume about this video? Okay, BT709. Okay, so it's assuming BT709. So my cringe numbers are wrong. Okay, so I should just use these numbers. Blah, blah, blah. Convergent matrices are these. There is no evidence those. Instead, only described. What is it talking about? What do you mean? Can we like... 601. Can I have like numbers? Mom. 5, 6. Like, why is it a freaking different number here? What? BT79004 negative 0.5. Bruh. Wrong in a different way. Bruh. Okay. Can I like view source or something? Display rendering SVG. Help. Matrix. What? Does SVG not have text? Whatever. Okay. Data entry from Wikipedia. Like each number has different amount of terms and stuff. Okay. Numbers. Yay. Okay, how did this stupid idiot make the numbers? Vertices. Array vec3. Mat3. Okay, const mat 3 by 3. Can I say mat 3? F32. Bah. Semicolon. Okay, const you have to RGB equals. Okay. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. So indeed, sir. So bing times bong, and then dot r. Oh. And then yeah. Okay. Right. GB. All right. What say you? I don't think it's gonna work. It's gonna be like, your shader, your shader, your shader. Colon. What? Does it need to be like this? Okay. We got it. Okay. Does it look better? Go gadget Wikipedia numbers. Actually, what happens if I remove this? Yes. UV output. Oof. Okay, it does think it's BT709 by default. We got green video. We got green video. Video's green. Oh my god, bro. Okay. What are 2, 7? Hey, look, those numbers are the same. So strange. But then these ones are different. So strange. Okay, so this is using the idiot numbers from over here. 458. Yes, that's that one. Straight out, that's that one. So it's this part of the matrix. 1105. Okay, so that's like that. Okay, so probably I want to transpose the matrix here. Okay. Okay. Jeez. Okay, transposed. Okay, let's try that. Yes. Nope. Okay, so it was the same matrix. So they had it, the matrix split up. Um, I kind of want to like, how do you slice a matrix in the Bing Bong? WGSL slice matrix. I don't know what you call it. Yeah, matrix. You have to say it. Okay. Um, how do you grab stuff? E1. Oh, I know where there's something. Calls. What is it? Calls? Um, there we go. Dot XYZ. Okay, 0. So you could just smash it. You're like, oh yeah, 0. 0. Okay. So, indeed, sir. So I would say 0. Oops. Dot. And that is the same. And then I would say Matt Scoobert the Dubert. And they have conversion bias as well. We'll call it bias. Okay. What's bias? Okay. Indeed, indeed, indeed. So then, hey you, 0, 1. Oh, 1, 2 rather. So those are columns. 3 by 2. Column major. Okay. And then that's how we do. Let's do color. Yov. I guess we call it Y. Clamp Y. And then this is UV. I want to rename this. Whatever. Okay. Oh. Okay, so we have a little bit of clarity here. Let's see what it does. Let's see if these numbers are better than the other numbers. Oh no. Expects 3 components, but 2 are given. 3 by 2. You're those aren't columns? WGSL matrix get column. Are we columns, rows? Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Column scalar. Okay. And then okay, and then it's gone. WGSL get column. Get matrix column. So it is column index. Oh. I guess that's what I want then, eh? Is I want to like go, hey, I'm a column. Back 3. Okay. Okay. And then, oh boy. Okay. 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 Oh, it's gonna troll me again, isn't it? Can you like submatrix? Whatever, man. I'll just change it back. It was fine. Okay, this is RGB to Y. And then RGB to UV. Okay. 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 Try again. F. Eh. Can you transpose in a const? Wait, it's not a function? Oh, is it like this? Are you kidding me? Oh, not implemented as constant expression. Death, 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 death. Why can't I just have it make sense? God. Okay. You gotta do it like this, right? I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know if this is wrong. Please just work. Okay, it's running. Yes. Okay, it still looks like ass. There's so many video encoding artifacts. So much like banding and stuff. Even at 10 megabits. Oh. Can I like say, hey, yeah, dude, it's actually the pixel format is this. It doesn't help. What? Oh, this is the display, right? Wait, BT20. Oh, snap. Oh, the HDR works. Oh. Uh, eh. So there's this cool thing where the colors are wrong in video formats. It's super cool. Um, ugh. Let's see. How do I do it? It's called like limited color or something. I forget. Limited color. I don't remember. It says it in OBS. Let's see. Advanced. Um, color range limited. Color range. Limited color range. The colors go from 16 to 244 instead of 0 to 255 just because they felt upset that day and they're like, let's just make it worse. So yeah, all video is worse. That's not the real reason, but there's historical combobulations always in every single part of video. Okay, so because I know that, let's see what I can do. Ay, ooh ya, ooh ah, ay ya ya. So it just goes lerp, 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 lerp. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Let y underscore limited is equal to lerp. The 16 over 255. 244, 224. I don't remember. What limited color range? Yev limited color range. Nice capital letters. What is the actual range? Color range. Blah, blah, blah. Limited color range. 240. Okay. 240 over 255. And then Y. Lerpy derpy. Okay. And then is it all of them? Let's see. Okay. So yeah, you have 8 bits and you throw away some information. Just blows my mind. Due to historical reasons. Even though full range may provide slightly better color accuracy, it's far less meaningful for high depth content. What if we made it worse? For no reason. Alright, UV limited, UV. Alright. Okay, so now we have to do vec2. Vec2. It's pretty awesome to know this stuff. Let's try it. Nor unknown identifier lerp. Okay. Mix, that's right. It's called mix. Okay. Mix is not bad as the name. Okay, so then we leave the pixel format alone. Leave the pixel format alone! And then it's still effed. Let's generate on an insanely OP video. Try tricks of the trade. Color. To fix color. It just didn't do anything. Oh, actually, I forgot. You can probably do this, eh? Yeah. Oh. Neat. What? Oh, okay. Well, my matrix is different. For no reason. Whatever. Okay. Yeah. Let's make a 4K 240 FPS video cuz that sounds cool. 3840 2160 240 error. And then we'll need like more bitrate. Make a big file. Big. Oh, not that big. Big. Let's see it. Error initialization failed. Ain't no way. What do you mean? Oh my god. Was that the problem? Okay, let's see. What is it doing? Is it using more GPU this time? It's using more encode this time. Lag in my stream. Lag. Which is expected. Can I select GPU? Let me try that. Do GPU inverse select GPU. Indeed, sir. Help AI, help. Okay, that's not gonna help. Oh, she's not done yet. I did make it 16 times more intense. Adapter, maybe? Okay. There is a 58 megabyte video there. Let's see. Frame rate is 240. Indeed, sir. And then, can it play? No. It's sharper. That's for true. And there's more frames. Does it know? It does know. So it knows that it's 240 FPS, but it doesn't work because I don't have enough decode power, I think. Let's see. So this right here is maxed. Oh my god, bruh. I don't have enough decode power. No! Okay. What if I convert it? But then it's not my video anymore. Whatever. I know how to convert it. Okay. codec lib svt av1, and we'll just let it choose all the settings, and then output av1.mp4. Go. My fast video encoder, go. Oh. Why is it not switching? There we go. CPU usage. Use those cores. Generate that video. 18 megabits is the bitrate it chose. Why is it so slow? Preset 8. That should be like not that slow. Whatever. It's like a 13-second video, so. Haha. All right, let's see if I have enough encoding power in AV1. It should be better. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, 65%. They made the AV1 decoder better than the H.264 decoder. I knew this, which is why I did this conversion. Smooth. It's so smooth. I have a 240 hertz monitor, which is why I made a 240 hertz video. Cool. Very cool. Well, that was fun. This didn't work. I don't know what to do to fix the color. It shouldn't be doing like that. Oh my god, bro. I am late. I have successfully created a video encoder. It takes a bot file and draws it off screen, not so it doesn't like pop up with a window and start encoding. It just like renders a video to a file, which is really cool. That's cool. That's really cool. But it looks like ass, and I don't know why. Well, I did it. So that's cool. What time is it? 10 o'clock. Yeah, I guess tomorrow I'll add like CLI. It kind of sucks. And I don't know why. It's because of my color conversion, that's why. Wait a second. GRA. What do I do? Did I choose the wrong ding dong? Haul up. Wait, sRGB. Oh, is that what S is? I have no idea. Okay, let's see. Graphics. sRGB. RGB8. Unorm sRGB. Uh-oh. Okay, let's try that. Ooh. Okay. Why was I using the wrong one? Surely that's not it, right? Oh, crap. No. Sad. This is so sad. Damn. I was kind of hoping that would work. How do I fix it? How do I fix it? Color space conversion. No. Cool. It's still cool to use. Issue 60. Adapter requirements. Small video files. Oh, yeah, that's... Yeah, please. Yev J. That would be nice. Cool. I'm going to give this a thumbs up. And I'm also going to give this a thumbs up. I'm also going to give this a thumbs up. Generate skills for AI. Oh, yeah. This also deserves a thumbs up. Oh, this is by the maintainer. That's cool. Video maintenance 1. I'll give this a thumbs up. Let's go. Whoa. Changing resolution. That's cool. When? August. Cool. M12 textures renderable. Oh, Schnapple, Dapple. Oh, so the AI was actually right. Damn. So I'm using brand new stuff from these guys. Hell yeah, brother. Yeah. Is this a pull? Ooh, minus. Ooh. Well, I could have looked at this code. XD. Is the pipe wire working? Which one? What do you mean? Like, this is the pipe wire camera right here. I'm using it. I did have to redo my entire audio thing. It's not working good. I can say that. I have to fiddle with the camera a lot to get it working when I before I start the stream. And Pipewire in general has broken. It like randomly deletes some of my virtual audio devices. When I log in. So like there was only this one and this one. I had to manually via command line create these other two. And also OBS had crackling audio with the old setup I had. I guess I can show you like this. Huh? Huh? Oh, no, it's something else. There it is. So this is how my script looked at first. So I had the like input and output devices that I was using, and then I created all these nodes. So like these are virtual microphones and these are virtual audio devices. And I'm like, oh yeah, these are the default devices I want to use. And then it has to wait 1 second because it's bad. And then it automatically set up some links that I didn't want between the virtual microphones and my current microphone. So I deleted those. And then what is that? I guess more unwanted links. And then these are the wanted links. So I link each of the virtual audio devices to the output device. So I have 4 virtual audio devices, and they're all linked to my headphones. So if I play audio from a voice application, I can hear it. If audio plays from some other application, I can hear it. Game audio, I can hear it. Music, I can hear it. But they're in distinct categories that are separately captured by OBS. So what I did recently was drop a lot of the code here. So Pipewire updated, and I needed to use this now. And these have crackly audio. And so I no longer need to delete these things because they don't exist. There's no virtual microphones anymore. And then yeah, so no more virtual microphones. But like these ones work and then these ones don't work. Actually, no, it's not even that. Which ones was it? Game music. Like, why did these two not work? Like it's I think it's like deleting them when it doesn't have anything connected or something. I don't know, man. Like what? It's just like mega broken. Fortunately, I can get everything working because I'm a god. This is really cool. Like, Piper got it updated so that this is the default configuration here. And that's literally what I wanted from the beginning. And that's what all this extra stuff is to set up, which is like really cool that it's by default now. But it caused crackling audio. Where am I? It's over here. It caused crackling audio. But now it doesn't. So, oh yeah, I had to change OBS as well because OBS has 3 virtual microphones. Well, no, 3 microphone capture slots and 2 like desktop audio capture slots. And I was using 4 of them, but all of the virtual microphones have crackly audio. So I had to change to only using the 2 desktop capture. I'm not able to capture voice audio with OBS right now, but very rare. And I can just like plumb it into the game audio in OBS, and it's like probably I'm not playing a game, but it would be nice to get that back. It'd be nice if OBS had modular audio where you can just capture N devices instead of having a fixed amount. Because like I want to capture 3 desktop devices. I will probably never understand how this works. Don't say that. It's probably the way is to have an application like this, but with like persistent configuration where you can like click like create new persistent virtual audio device. Don't have a reason to do this for streaming. That's really what's needed is like an audio control center where you can create audio configuration with a UI. You're like, new virtual audio device, set as default, connect it to my headphones automatically, put applications to this device, and like you click instead of like, and like command line script that runs at startup. Like, oh my god, bro, that's like it's the back end is there for sure. You can. This is way more flexible than Windows, but it's all via command line, and it also doesn't work. Sorry. It has potential. Reach your potential. Are you still here? I made a video encoder. This takes a bot file. Well, this is the map file and a bot file. And then I run it and it goes let's run it again. See this? 100% video usage. And then it stops. So it's encoding video. And then that's this file. Actually, I think I can play it directly with MPV. So it's by default
25 FPS, but I rendered that at 60 FPS. So this is a raw H.264 file. It's literally just the video raw data. It has no information about the video file. The audio is gone. Oh, just now? Or like you've been having this problem? They messed it up. It was working. They messed it up. But yeah, it renders a video file, which is super cool. But it looks bad. Like if I use the native player, it looks like this. Like this is what it's supposed to look like. And this is what the video file looks like. What? Why is it different? Oh, the FOV is wrong as well. Haha, lol. Do not know. I do not know. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Anyways, I did the work today. And that is to fix the video encoder so it works to a minimal extent. Duh. No, I should add a command line CLI tomorrow. I'm supposed to be working on the graphics. I was just very excited to try Vulkan Video in Rust. I've achieved that. It's pretty cool that it works. It's faster than the other one. Oh, let me try something actually. Hold on. Oh, that's a native player. Can I do like WGPU adapter equals 3060? I don't know. Let me search through WGPU source code. It'd be nice if it was documented. WG adapter name. It is documented. Okay. Well, there you go. Let's see. Does it use the right adapter? If I run it like this. No. Did it run at all? Case insensitive substring. Oh. 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 Oh, they're using lifetimes. My man. Arc. Iter adapters. Okay. Iter adapters, I guess. So I guess I can do this. Damn. Not using the WGPU environment variables. Is it L? R R R R R R R R R R. Okay, let's see. Iter adapters. None. Dot find. Haha. Oh, what do you mean dot iter? It's already an iterator, you goob. Oh, result. Ah, I see. Okay, find me an adapter. Oh. Name. Oh. Contains 3060. Okay. Go for it. All right. Let's see. Can we use the 3060? So this is encoding with OBS. This one? Yay! Only 91%. Was that using? That was using the GPU as well. So that was rendering and encoding on that GPU. That's so cool. Oh, I love it. Only 91%? I gotta bump up those numbers. Damn. Wait, dude. 6%? 6% GPU is hilarious. Let me actually bop this as well. Hello. Game? What? What do you mean? Your files will be overwritten. Just merge it, idiot. What? Okay. I'll just Control C, Control V, I guess. What the hell? Oh, I said idiot. Okay. Go again. Go again. No, it shouldn't lag OBS. All right, now we're encoding. Okay. 94%. That's so cool. It's rendering the bot on my second GPU. Rendering and encoding. So cool. I guess all you really need is GPU select. There it is. No way. Oh. It's pretty smooth. What's that speed at? 8x speed. It's pretty close to being able to decode 240 FPS. Just not quite. All right. That's enough fun. No more fun. I guess I don't gotta, but I'm gonna go work on money. I did actually release the money game. Money's calling. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow. I might make a CLI for this. I think it's a good idea. I'll make a CLI.